Mr. Sulu, what are you doing?
Commander, I am pressing the pretty colored buttons on the console like I always do.
Commander Kirk, we have an incoming message from Starfleet.
Put it on the screen, Miss O'Hara.
What have you guys been doing?
Spock, where have you been? Newcastle Hunter Sports Bike Riders are doing a tipping competition for the 2012 MotoGP and we need to sign up. Mr. Sulu, jump on the net and take us to oztips.com. Warp Factor 5.
I have oztips.com on the screen, Commander.
I am creating an OzTips account for each of us. Then we just need the competition number and password.
The next step is to enter the competition number 273494 and the password is sportsbike.
Everyone enter the comp number 273494 and the password, sportsbike.
Accomplished. Standing by.
I can't wait for the first race. I am so going to win this.
Could we have some party music, Miss O'Hara? You can go to NHSBR.net for all the details. Commander's Log, Stardate 2012. Mr. Spock has informed me that as well as playing just for fun, I can enter the prize pool and have a chance of winning first, second, or third prize.